A bag of 6 pairs costs $3. Damon bought 54 pairs and had $42 left. Given that he had $150 at first, find the value of W. Now to do this, we need to know how much did he actually spend for the pairs, because that is related to the costing, which is W. Alright, now he did not spend the full $150, he only spent 150 minus 42. So let's see how much he spent. 150 minus 42, $108. Okay, this is how much he spent. And for 54 pairs, what is the cost in terms of W? Now we know that 6 pairs cost $3. So how do we jump to 54 pairs? 54 divided by 6, that is 9. So we can multiply by 9 here. We do the same thing here. 3W times 9 is 27W. So what does it mean? 27W is the same as $108. 27W is the same as $108. So to find W, that would be equals to 108 divided by 27. Which will give us a W value of 4. And this is our final answer.